Hey everybody, welcome back to another Type R Tweaks video. Today's video we're going to be replacing the bonnet struts on the car. So we originally had the version 1 tactical racing bonnet struts. They made a little issue with them when we moved to the it was Kaizen's bonnet struts, but unbeknown to me at the time that was their version 2. So obviously there was very similar issues to what we've seen on our version 1. But Tactical Racing, sponsors of the channel, have sent us the carbon fibre bonnet struts. So these ones, pretty well packaged. Hopefully you can see kind of carbon fibre effect. We're going to stick them on the bonnet today. It actually comes with all the fittings you need. So you've got the brackets for both the bonnet hinge and at the front on both sides. You've got all the screws you need. Because if you remember the first ones I got, there wasn't actually a bolt for putting them on the just behind the driver's light. But we've got that as part of this package. So again, we'll put some links in descriptions. I might even create, in fact, by the power of YouTube magic, we're going to create a little QR code here, where if you scan that, it'll take you straight to the website where you can purchase your own from Tactical Racing. So let's get the bonnet open and let's get fitting these. So here's the ones I've got in the car just now, Kaizen version, but I think just for the overall look that I'm going for, I think these carbon fibre ones seem a lot more cosmetically pleasing than the ones I've got on just now. So, like I showed before, we've got this rusty old bolt that I managed to find previously to get that side on. So we'll replace all them with the kit that I've got from Tactical Racing, and we'll see what that looks like. There we go now, that's them all fitted. These actually come with these kind of branded sort of washers, look quite smart. And I need to get the rest of them changed. But yeah, these just push on and there's little sort of surf clips inside that keeps it attached to the sort of ball bracket. But we're all on now, both sides. It's all looking good. Definitely goes with how I want the interior of the engine bay, a bit of carbon fibre, so really happy with that. And just a little tip, if you're putting these on, I tend to leave these a bit loose, both sides. When you actually raise or lower the bonnet for the first time, it kind of gets to a natural position, and then I just tighten it from there. So yeah, all good and looks pretty good too. So just to show, in terms of fitment, no real issues there. Bonnet's not raised or anything. Same with the other side, nothing raised here, so good fitment.
Life moves pretty fast.